I can't help it. I'm addicted to this whole gold prospecting thing. Pierce County is calling my name and has been calling my name, and I'm just driving up there. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting a late start, so it'll be about 9 o'clock when I get up there. So I'll take a couple quick little videos. I'll try and make it a little bit shorter than a half an hour this time. It's kind of cool that people do watch. I don't know how long everybody's watching, but it's cool that people are watching. That's awesome. That's awesome. Subscribe, like, and share. Quest for Gold, MDS Mining here. Prospector Gill coming at you live. Not really live, but you know, video type live. For Wisconsin Gold Quest. Going up to Pierce County, Wisconsin today. Again, Nugget Lake. And I'm hoping to meet up with a couple people, and with a couple different people again. So we'll let you know what's going on. Prospector Gill out. See you soon. Hey folks, Prospector Gill here. So, yeah, I'm up at the creek, and has it changed here? That's where it was. I suppose it hasn't really changed here. I guess this is easy there. It's slippery right there. This is where I was I don't even know if I've got the video for this. I think most of the video for this area is on my GoPro. Walk with me. There's some kind of a otter or something like that. Living in the bank there. Jeepers. So I don't know where I'm gonna dig today at all. There's a big pile of stuff right here. And that gets pretty deep here. Oh. I'm gonna say somewhere over in this area is probably where it goes off into somebody else's land. Oh, there's a dam. Somewhere around here. Sticks and stones and rocks, everything else here underneath. That looks like some hard pack stuff right there. More spruce. Huh. A bunch of little fishies. And this goes to a big pool here. Again. Jeez. Oh. That's pretty deep. Well, My waders only go so deep. That's the problem here. My hip boots. Alright. Jesus. Looks like somebody's been doing nothing, digging or something in here. That's crazy. And I think somewhere in this area is probably where it's probably not the park anymore. There's looks to be a sign right there, but it's not, crazy. I wonder. That's got to be the sign there. Huh. Quite interesting. At the land here. Huh. So, that's the fence. That's the property line. There's a true squirrely. So there's the property line. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Huh. Crazy. Well, we keep on walking, I guess. Like someone was digging in the... Yeah, people are digging in the banks. For sure. I'm sure it's pretty back here. Huh. Well, I'm going to shut this down for just a second. So, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this, but... Prospector Gill out. We'll see you soon. So as I'm walking, check this out. That's beaver chewed. That means there's a beaver around here. It's not one, but two, and three. That is for sure beavers. How do I know? I have a chair that's made out of beaver chewed logs. It's pretty cool. It's in my office. Crazy. Be on the lookout for beaver, man. You're mean. I have no idea where I'm at right now, but it looks like something. It's right over there. What is that? See if I can. Huh. We'll see. Prospector Gill out. See you soon. Wow. So I came across this. I don't know where the heck I am here. I've never been back here. There was a fence on one side of the creek. Now there's a fence on the other side of the creek. So I don't know. I didn't see anything saying where I was, or if I was on private property or not. But that's interesting, eh? For sure. Huh. So we'll keep walking. I don't know where I'm at though. We'll see. Alright folks, so here's what I'm doing. Found this little area here that it's all in between. The earth is in between. So every time it floods, the water comes through here and comes out. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of prospecting here. See how it comes out. Floats around here. And this comes in here, so I'm just going to try. I've always had pretty good luck with areas like this. What I'm going to do is just clean this area out here. And get the big rocks and stuff out. And I'm just going to do a little panning. Just to dig up a little bit of stuff and see what's going on there. So get rid of, like I say, get rid of these big rocks. You know, and then just kind of see what's underneath here. So I finally got set up to where I think I can be functional. I did a couple of little test pans and found a couple of little flakes. I'm not in an outside bend or anything like that. It's just because I believe this is the whole area. Everything, there's gold where there's gold. There's gold everywhere up here in the impact zone, I guess. I'm happy with whatever I get. I'm out with nature. What else could be more fun? Plus you get a little shiny. So, alright. So I'm running my 50-inch sluice down here. So the bank and everything all tore apart, and everything is on the inside of it here. So what I'm doing is kind of digging on. I've got my no flare. I've got no flare on my sluice, just because there's no room. And what I'm doing is I'm classifying this stuff down to 1/4 of an inch only. I've been noticing that, the more I come up here is, and everything's working the way it's supposed to be working, as far as I know. The water flow could be a little bit more, I guess. I could fix that in a little bit, I guess. But I'm coming over here in this area, and this is what I'm getting. I'm out of a hole now. One spot right here, down into the creek bed. Now, so I got about 10 little flakes out of here so far. So just digging here and classifying over yonder or there, and then we'll let you know what's going on. Prospector Gill out. See you soon. All right, folks. This right here is 2 shovelfuls of 1/4 inch classified out of that hole. So I'm going to see if we're still got any gold here. And then you get stuck in the water, and of course all the gold you see is gone then. I see about 2 or 3 little flakes. One little piece of wire gold that looks as if, of course that whole thing right there just messed it up. Well, I'll have to repan it and take a look again. Prospector Gill out. See you soon.
Got Prospector Gill here up in the north woods of Wisconsin. We're on a little quest for gold. Wisconsin gold. What I did is I classified 2 5-gallon buckets down to 1/4 of an inch. They're roughly about 3/4 full. And then I'm gonna run them through the sluice here and see what I got afterwards. Again, I'm gonna bring the cons home with me just so I can play with them there. But I did a couple test pans and there was a couple flakes here and there. So we're going to run with it. Since we are prospectors, we're prospecting. When I'm done with this, I'm going to pack everything up and go to a different spot. It's about 11:30 right now. Well, we'll see. It's 11:30 right now. 12:30 would be what, about 1 o'clock by the time I get out of here, at least. So we'll see. I got a 2-hour drive ahead of me as well. But take a look at this. Let's see if I can see. You probably can't, but there's just all kinds of black sands all throughout here. So I think there's going to be some gold there. We'll see. I suppose, like I said, I'm not going to bore you folks. I got a fly on my glasses. That was freaky. I'm not going to bore you folks with all of this here stuff because it is kind of boring. But your view is going to get pretty weird for just a second. Hang on, folks. Like I said, I'm trying something new here with my whole camera angle. I don't know if it's going to make the video any better or not, but. And of course it's sunny out here, so I can't see what the heck is going on. Anyway, I'm going to fly back over here real quick. I filled my hole in. I was down down to here or so roughly. Filled that in. Fill your holes in, folks. People trip on them. So here's my other bucket. When I get all done with it, I'll do a quick test pan and I'll show you what's going on. Prospector Gill out. See you soon. Hey folks, Prospector Gill back at you. So I just got done running my 2 pails of concentrates that I classified down to only 1/4 of an inch this time. I'm not going to classify anything. I don't have a half inch classifier, I guess. Mine broke when I was in South Dakota, and I guess I never replaced them. But I got some 1/4 inch ones, and that's all I got. But I'm on the hunt for a new sluice box. I'm tired of doing all this classifying. I'm getting a little bit older. You know, not that I can't do it. I can definitely do it. I can dig better than most, I guess. But it takes such a long time to classify it, and you know, the more material you run, the more little flakes of gold you can find. So I'm looking at a couple different options, and so far I think I do have it narrowed down to what I think I'm going to do, but I'm not real sure. Probably, hopefully, you know, my pockets aren't deep, but they're expensive, but I'm hoping in the next couple weeks I can get one. So anyhow, I'll be right back at you here in the middle of the creek in Pierce County, Wisconsin. Did a quick little 2-bucket 1/4 inch classification, and boom, let's see what we got. See them? All up over that way. And I found a piece of glass, and check it out, I found my first piece of lead. I found my first piece of lead. I'll show you later a cleanup, and obviously there's going to be more gold than that, but not too shabby, I suppose. Sweet. All right. Well, I'm going to snuffer this stuff up. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm just going to dump it back in a bucket, and I'll get it out again later. Oop, there's some stuff floating, so I'll get it out later. And I'm going to pack my stuff up. I'm going to hike out of here, and I'm going to go to someplace else real quick. So see you soon. Hey folks, Just a public service reminder from Prospector Guild to make sure you check your camp before you pack your stuff up. Well, this will be the second time I'm unpacking everything. This was floating away. Oh, there's some black sands in it. That's cool. I wonder what it's from. Well, I'm gonna have to unpack all that again to put this back in there. Anyhow, yeah. I'm almost out of here. See you soon. Just noticed this on the way out. Oh, looked to me like something lived there. I'm not going to venture over there. That's what it looks like to me. Could be wrong. Okay, I found it. The fence on this side, at least. I don't know. See it right there? It's an old one. But I'm in a situation, a spot that I can't really. My backpack is hung up on something when I'm up on a hill, but it goes underneath that tree right here on the ground and goes off that way somewhere. So I think I'm okay. I don't know, but I'll take a picture of where I'm at in a second. All right, folks, Prospector Guild here, just showing you. We're panning. I took the big rocks out of the pan already. We're going to classify it. We're not classify it, but rather classify it. Get the heavies down at the bottom. Get those bonds off. These rocks are pretty heavy. We're going to just kind of take some of them out. Wash them off when they're going to throw them out. Got some clay in here. Trying to break that clay up a little bit. And there's 4 or 5 little flakes in there. Sweet. So, let's snuffer them up out of there. And then, I think we're going to get out of here. I've had enough fun for today. I've been in the creek for a couple hours. I do believe I know where the boundaries are now. There's a sign right over there. Well, I used to be signed. And helicopter flying over. Up yonder. Hey guys, how you doing? Anyway, I'm gonna pack up, repack up, walk on out. That's cool. Here goes. All right, we'll see you soon.
I'm packing out and I couldn't help myself again. I came across a nice little spot, so I'm doing a couple little pan thing. I just want to show you real quick. See you soon. Alright folks, here we go. So, I'm classifying just by my hand. So, I'm panning. So, we get rid of these rocks here. Kind of show you what's going on. Get rid of these rocks. These big ones. And, let's try to slide up again a little bit. That gold's going to go down to the bottom of it. You can basically take all this stuff up here, just throw it away. But, show you what I'm dealing with here. Down at the bottom of it. All this gravel. Like, very nice gravels in here. So I couldn't help myself. So it's probably 2:30 or something like that right now. So I'm still in the creek. I'm still on the gold. Snuffering up some stuff. I had to take my backpack off because the first pan I did, I had my backpack on, and my water fell into the creek, and you know what's in the creek, I don't know. So I guess video update's done. See you soon. Wisconsin gold prospecting. Quest for gold. Got a little bit of gold in my pan, in my bucket, in my snuffer bottle. Not bad for a couple hours worth of outdoor enjoyment, I'd say. And you get lots of exercise. Alright folks, we'll see you soon. Say, what a wonderful day I had out on the creek yesterday. Beautiful day, the sun was shining. Out and about with nature. Walked to some places I've never really been before. I did see some no trespassing signs. I don't think I went on anybody's land that I wasn't supposed to. I didn't dig very much. I didn't set up anything really dam-wise or anything like that. I just utilized what was there. I'm going to have to get a different map or walk the whole thing, I guess, to kind of find out where I was exactly. If anybody knows the footage that I have on, let me know if I was on somebody else's land or not. Like I said, I don't think I dug on anybody's land. I didn't dig a whole lot anyway. It was more of a nature-looking thing just to see what was going on. You know, because prospecting is a lot of walking and being with nature, and you know, you don't always find gold, I guess. You know, which is kind of disappointing. But I believe everybody everywhere around that area in Pierce County has got some gold. Obviously, more concentrated in some spots than elsewhere, especially in the creek, you know, as the water flows down and whatnot. Boy, I sure would like to find some land up there that has outside of the county park to dig on, use my high banker, that type of thing, and actually do a little bit of, see something different than what we got going on now. But I'll work on that here. Tell you what, I'm going to go through these sands, and then I'll take a couple of little quick pictures, and we'll go from there. All right? Prospector, get out. See you soon.